Hi there! Guess my space? I have none. I just moved from one room to another. Today I'm filming in my living room. This week I got sent a little cute package from NYX Cosmetics and they sent me this little palette, the Ultimate Edit mini palette, and it's in the shade, whatever, in the style Phoenix. I'm just going to do an eyeshadow look with this palette. I'm wearing face makeup, like proper face makeup. I'm wearing foundation and everything. It's a skin tint, but counts since I haven't worn foundation in like 3 months, I think. I'm going to see what I can create with this color combination. I will be trying to use most of the shades, if not all of the shades. We'll see what crosses my mind. I'm a little confused on where to start, but let's start slow with the transition shade. And I'm gonna take this peachy shade in the palette. It has I almost dropped it. What I was saying is that it has tiny shiny particles in it. Has a little bit of fallout in the pen, nothing major. I'm gonna use a big fluffy brush. This is a Juvia's Place 006. I'm gonna apply it starting from my outer corner and kind of blending it into the crease. Wow, but this has a very strong sheen. I'm not used to applying shimmery products, shadows in my crease, but we're doing it today, and it's, wow, so much more pigmented than I imagined, which is a great thing. I'm gonna start blending that, doing circular motions. I'm not going to apply it on the lower lash line, because I'm trying to use as many shades as I can, and I will most likely switch to another shade for my lower lash line. When I was making my plan of what I want to use, this wasn't meant to go in the crease. I wanted to use this one instead. My bad. Guess we'll use this one on the lower lash line. Or maybe I could do like a red lower lash line. But I hope that won't make me look sick though. Maybe it will make me look sick in a good way. These colors are kind of making me confused on what I can create with them, but I'm gonna follow up with the purple and see where we land. I'm gonna use a Morphe 506 brush, and that's gonna go here. Oh wow! NYX, you're pigmented. A few years ago, NYX palettes, the ones that I tried, used to be pretty... not that pigmented. Let's just say that. But nowadays, they do great shadows, which I'm impressed. Everything that I've tried a little bit more recently has been amazing from NYX in terms of eyeshadow palettes. Let me just blend that a little bit. I think I want to do the red lower lash line though. Might be a bold choice, but I think it will turn out great, wouldn't it? I concealed my dark circles because, like I said, red can make you look sick, but if your base is on point and you have you don't have pretty bad dark circles and stuff, it might not make you look sick. The soft pink is gonna go on my lid, applying it with a shading brush from Real Techniques. It could have worked in my crease, yeah, but it's pretty on my lid as well, so... So, for the red lower lash line, what I want to do first is line my waterline with this brown pencil from Sephora Collection. You could use black. I was thinking of using black, but I don't know, I think maybe brown will be less harsh. I'm also lining under my lashes to create more depth. Then I'm gonna follow up with the red. Don't ask about the brush, please. So that's gonna go here. Hopefully it won't have fallout. That's why I keep doing this to my brush. I have the most lame mirror ever. I think I need a darker in-between shade. Maybe I'll use that last shade of the palette that I haven't used. The red needs a little bit of blending, so I'm just gonna go in with a clean, hopefully, Morphe 506. I really hope it's clean. It looks like it is, so I was saying that I would take this shade. I hope it doesn't have a green tint. And let's see how it looks here, right underneath my waterline, underneath that pencil. This kind of does what I wanted it to do, so that's good. It creates a nice transition between the pencil and the red shadow. I'm gonna run a little bit of that across my upper lash line, just in the outer corner here, to add a little bit more intensity. I don't want to add a wing liner since I spent so much time blending. I feel like that would be a waste, popping a graphic line over all this work. And the last shade is the yellow, which is gonna go in the inner corner. I already used some highlighter there, so this is gonna be like a topper or something. Let's turn this into a NYX appreciation video and finish up with their On the Rise mascara. I really love this palette. I really love the formula. Good job on that, NYX. I don't think it's new though. I think because I've seen reviews from like 2 years ago, I think. I'm gonna curl my lashes first. And then let's finish it off. And I'm gonna use some on my lower lashes as well. I finished it off with a nude lip. I used the Rimmel pens in the shade Tiramisu and the Maybelline, what's this called? Super Stay Matte ink in the shade 55 Driver. This is the look. Let me know if you tried any palettes from this NYX range. I think the formula is amazing. I used every shade of the palette and I really love the look that came out. I need to head to work now. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you're having a beautiful sunny day like it is here, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!